guys! Welcome back to my channel again, and if you're a first timer here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button, and after subscribing, click the small bell button for you to be notified every time that I upload videos here in this channel. So today, as you can see in the title down below, I will be doing my Christmas haul video. So, Berber na dito. So, Berber na dito. Parang sa ibang bansa, hindi nag-Berber. So, ayun, pag September, October na, diba? Filipinos, you wanna decorate your house. So, nag-start na akong bumili ng mga iba't ibang, just a little bit of Christmas decorations for my upcoming series din pala. So, you will be seeing, guys, some of the materials that I will be using for my DIYs soon. So, if you wanna know more about the products that I got, keep on watching. So, I have two bags here. I have one from NBJS. Hindi ko na masyadong itataas kasi nag-change yung light ko. And I only have a plain plastic here. So, yun. You will see some of the things that I got. Siguro nakita nyo na sa vlog ko. So, yun. So, let's start with this plastic. This one is from Betty's. If you are familiar with that store sa Urdaneta, sila yung nagbebenta ng mga fabrics and a lot of anik-aniks. Pero more on fabric sila. So, what I got from them is a tool. Ha! Surprise! Surprise! I really love the color. Yan. Ito yung tool. Tapos, para siyang may glitter something siya. So, I got 3 yards or 4 yards of this, I guess. So, ayun. May paggagamitan tayo niyan for the DIY. Kaya abang-abangan ang series. And another one is this fabric. Para siyang cream or parang white. Something. Ganon. So, I got this one. I also got 3 or 4 yards. Nag-change yung light, guys. I'm sorry, but I need to finish this one. And the last 2 from them are these very cute pillowcases, guys. Look at them. I really want to skanaga. Oh, para silang para siyang scarf or something yung mani, diba? So, you already know kung anong color scheme ang mangyayari sa ating room. I have them. Parang sobrang mura lang ng mga guys. Sobrang affordable ng mga nabibili doon. Pero actually, depende naman sa fabric na kukunin mo. Kahit saan namang store. So, I got the most affordable one. So, let's proceed with this plastic here. This is from Novo. Gusto ko ang Novo kasi sobrang dami nilang mura. So, what I got from them are these ornaments. Yung ornaments nila, guys, may texture pang ganap na nangyayaring ganyan. So, this one is for only 30 pesos lang. Itong malalaki. So, I got blue and I got the silver. Wala kasing ganitong color na blue, but yeah, ipupush ko na lang to. So, ayun. And I got another silver na mas maliliit. Ito yung may yung matte, yung may glitters, tapos yung glossy. And I also have another like purple something na matte, yung may glitters tsaka yung glossy. So, the color palette that I am aiming for is like the Frozen, diba? Sa Frozen, blue, purple, and silver. So, ayun guys. And I also got another blue na ganito na naman, the matte, the silver, and the glossy. Tigto 20 pesos lang to, yung 6 are 20 pesos. And of course, I got this one. This is just a very simple something. Iniisip ko pa kung saan ko ilalagay kasi wala akong nahanap ng dapat na paglalagyan niya. This one is 30 pesos na lift siya. Tapos may super duper shining and shimmering, full of glitters. So, I need to put this here. Ayokong ipunta siya sa bed ko. And let's proceed with the 168. Konti lang to, guys. Mini haul lang to. So, bilisan na lang natin. What I got from them is 2 Christmas lights. So, ito yung mga Christmas lights nila. The other one is already there on my bed. So, I still have one. Ito yung warm color na LED light nila. Sobrang mura lang nito, guys. But, be careful with these things. They might blow out. Yeah, not blow out. They might blow up on you. Kaya yun lang. So, the risk is in your hands. But I suggest you buy the one with ICC ba yun? Basta yung pumasa siya sa mga ganern. But, hindi ko naman to masyadong gagamitin na parang pang matagalan pag mag-film lang siguro ako para maganda yung maliwanag yung background natin. So, I got 2 of them. And I have, for the last thing that I got from 168, ito na yung lahat, guys. Sobrang mini haul lang talaga. What I got are these, I don't know what you call these things. Ito, silver, ganun siya. Parang 4 ata itong binili ko na tig 15 pesos lang siya. One is, kasi sobrang iksi. Yun sa ibang shop na pinuntahan ko, 25 yun. Yung ganito, sobrang iksi. Charot. So, these things are just materials for my upcoming series, the 12 Days of Christmas. We have 12 Days of Christmas. Sana ma-push natin to ng bonggang-bongga. So, I expect you guys or encourage you guys to keep on watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you go subscribe now para makita nyo yung mga susunod na videos ko. Paghihirapan talaga natin to todo efforts, and may mga random giveaways sa mangyayari. So, yun yung ikinaka-excite ko. Mga random na giveaways for my holiday series. So, yun guys, that's all that I got for this video. Sobrang konti pa lang kasi ito pa lang yung mga materials na gagamitin natin. Paulit-ulit. Ano ba, Joyang? Paulit-ulit. So, if you have your Facebook and Instagram, you should follow me. I encourage you to follow me and to like my fan page. Double like. Ito yung follow. Ito yung like. So, you like and you follow me with my username, Joyofmia. I do a lot of updates there, guys. So, go na. Follow na kayo. And subscribe and like this video and share if you want to. So, I hope you enjoyed watching this video kahit sobrang short lang siya. And yeah! I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Guess